Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to tint Honda Odyssey windows. First, gather your supplies. You'll need tint film, a spray bottle with soapy water, a squeegee, and a sharp utility knife. Thoroughly clean the windows, inside and out, using a good glass cleaner. This removes any dirt or debris that could cause bubbles under the tint. Measure each window precisely before cutting your film. Once your windows are spotless, it's time to cut the film. Lay the tint on the outside of the window and trim it to size, leaving a small overlap. Then, remove the liner from the tint, spraying the adhesive side and the window with your soapy solution. Carefully place the film onto the wet window, aligning it perfectly. Now, grab your squeegee. Starting from the center, gently push out all the water and air bubbles towards the edges. Overlap your strokes to ensure complete coverage. Take your time with this step for a professional finish. Once the film is smooth, use your utility knife to carefully trim any excess film around the window's perimeter, ensuring a clean edge. After applying the tint, it's crucial to let it cure properly. Avoid rolling down your windows for at least 3 to 5 days. This allows the adhesive to fully bond. For cleaning, use a soft cloth and a non-ammonia-based cleaner to protect your new tint. Enjoy the enhanced privacy and reduced glare in your Honda Odyssey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.